Reggie Empire back at you. What another video. And I want to talk about Yahoo Finance. This app is amazing, and I want to talk about how you can use Yahoo Finance as your tool. So what I have done is I've gone into, so if you go to your profile, but you go over to research and hit screener, hit stocks, right? And what this does, it allows you to compare your stocks side by side. For example, I chose Nvidia, of course, because it's the champion, right? Now I have Intel, which is one of its competitors, and AMD. And let's just add micro technology, Micron, right? So instead of having everything scattered and going from one place to another, you can go into research. So you got stocks, you got research, and hit screener and hit stocks, right? And now you got Nvidia and you got all your data. Market value, you can't touch them. Look at this, 4.6 to the billionaires, right? Enterprise value, which is very important, right? Your market cap value is not to sound like, nobody doesn't know. It is the value of the market cap in the stock market. Then you got the company value. So look at this. Nvidia's enterprise value is at $4.39 trillion. Come on. But see, look, that is good. All right. Price PE ratio, right? Price to earnings, 45, right? And you can keep on going, right? And this is going to just give you all the information you need. Now we're getting into the balance sheet, income statement, revenue, right? Look at that, side-by-side comparison. With all that said, you also can go to, let's get back to stocks. And we're going to choose RXT. I believe the company is. Let me double check that. RXT. All right, so I added this to my profile, and I talked about RXT this morning. Right? Come on. There we are. RXT right here. We're going to go to RXT, and I'm going to show you how you can go through your stocks and get quick reference information if this thing opens up. So here we are, up 236%, 238 today. I already planted some seeds. So here we are. Let's go to historical data. So now you go to historical data, and boom, look at this, right? This is from February 18th, 2025. So this is 1 year of data. You can go, look at this. You can go way back in time. And you can look at this stock. So let's look at today. This stock opened up at 99 cents a share. It's high $1.71. It's low 95. Right? And right now it's at 142. Look at the volume difference. This thing has 407 million in volume compared to where it used to be. I'm not trying to, I already have a video about this stock where I'm showing you guys how you guys can sit here and quick reference your stocks. You get all your information here, a lot better than yesterday. Look at this beauty. And look at the bits going down, down, down. And that's what we want. Also, you can go to charts and look at the candlesticks. I talked about candlesticks before in my previous videos. And I like candlesticks because you can look at your support lines or your support candles. Let's go. Here we are. So we're going to look at this candlestick. But I want to use a different stock. We'll use this one. Right? Here is a 3-month candlestick. And right here is your support lines. Right? So right now, this stock is at a 140. You see here. So back in December 10th, it was at $1.20 a share. And you look at your candlesticks and your candlesticks, right? And I did a video about candlesticks, right? Let's get to February. Where are we at here? Here is the 18th, right? So here's your candlesticks, your different views and everything you can look at, right? You got your charts, you got your community, and once you do this, it just targets a specific stock that you want to know about. The community. And what I like about this is you can look at the comments and everything else is going on. See? Welcome to Yahoo, blah, blah, blah. The price action, blah, blah, blah. You can look at different comments, right? But here's another thing. And I like to pay attention to related tickers because this, I believe, it's its competition. Yahoo is saying, well, heck, you're looking at this. Won't you take a gander at some of these stocks? So what I do is I'll just choose one. RPD. Who is RPD? Rapid 7. Never heard of them. But what we can do is use this as an example. I just pulled a stock out that I have no idea what it is, or what it's about. You have several options. You can use Copilot, right? And say RPD, question mark. RPD, that, see, is a cybersecurity software and services company. Threat detection, see how quick? Vulnerability, blah, blah, blah. See, very quick. Type in the ticker symbol and question mark, right? It's historical data. Just go back to your typical tutorials, what you normally do. Right, here we are. Historical data. Back in January, it was at $11 a share. Open, its high was 12. Its low was 11. So this stock is on a dip. Look at this, look at this, look at this, right? As of today, it's 705. It opened. Its high is 727. Its low 688. All right, look at the volume, right? Statistics. And this is a quick way to just vet a stock. Right? You just want to look at a stock and you want to vet it really quick. Go to historical data, go to statistics, and look at the market cap where it's been. 470 million, so it's taking a dip. It used to be a $1 billion company. Look at this. 1.7 billion, 1.5, 1. So this company has taken a major dip. So what's going on in the community? What are they saying about this stock? Come on. The world is shifting toward digital assets, and those who who's positioned themselves early stand to benefit the most. Individuals need to start working on themselves financially and not depend on the government. Let's get him a whole. There we are. So you can go in the community and see what other people are talking about. You can also put a comment. Why is the stock on a dip? You know? Let's go back to analysis. What do the experts say about this stock? Earnings trend, right? Q4 25. So it's talking about its earnings right here. Q1 fiscal 25, it beat, and it's got next earnings on May 11th. Wow. So anyway, there we are, y'all. I wanted to show you guys how to navigate through Yahoo Finance. Just to recap, you have your research, right? And you go to screen, and you can compare your stocks, side-by-side comparison. You also have your historical data you can look at, right? Yes, I know. Stock comparison, right? I can't do two things at once. I guess I just paused. Anyway, like I said, you can go in historical data, you can go in stock comparison, see, and it keeps where you last had it, right? And you can keep on adding, right? And you can look at historical data, you can look at the community, and you can look at the analysis and see what the expert says. And it will shorten your time on how to vet a stock. And look at my profile. My profile, look at this. It's looking pretty good. So at the time of recording this video, hurry up. The S&P 500 is in the green. Come on, I'm trying to stall here. Hurry up. I'm waiting on Yahoo. Y'all like this guy's internet is terrible. Probably is. S&P 500 up 0.95%. Dow up 0.64. NASDAQ tech guys up 1.36. The Russell up 1.06. The VIX is retreating to 8.28 and gold is up 2.29. If you like this information, please like and subscribe. I typically upload 2 to 3 videos a day talking about stocks, tech, where to find the little small caps, ways to make money. I'm a new YouTuber, so your support will help out a lot. If you would, please like this video and share throughout your community. Y'all be blessed. Reggie Empire out. Holla at y'all. Whoop.